We're back up at the condo, but I haven't vlogged it all today. The last I vlogged was the rocket launch last night, but today we went to the beach and the ocean is so clear and it's so nice. And then we went to the pool, but other than that I haven't really vlogged today. But that's what's going on. We're about to finish the sisterhood of the traveling pants and eat some lunch because it's like 2 or 3 or something like that. But we also
didn't shoot from 2 to 3 in the last 10 minutes.
What time is it?
2:30.
Oh, it's 2:30, but we also woke up really late.
Y'all didn't.
I woke up at like 11:30.
Oh. Just need like content at like.
Yeah, because I need to actually vlog stuff. Me talking isn't entertaining.
Yeah.
Zoe's braiding Chloe's hair.
We've got some fresh fruits and veggies.
Some of them have bite marks in them. There you go. A little close-up of that. Also, tomorrow is Gabby's birthday, so I'm gonna vlog that day. So that should be really fun. I don't know if we're really doing anything. We might see a movie. I think we're gonna try and make a dessert that's like vegan and gluten-free.
The part isn't perfect.
But yeah, that's it.
Macaroni.
We're going back down to the beach. We finished Sister of the Traveling Pants, the first one, and then we watched the second one.
Yeah, but it was so much fun.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to be at the beach at this time because I feel like it's just the right amount of like warmth.
Yeah, and there's like not a ton of people, so I think we might try and build a sandcastle and just like get in the water.
And, like, apparently tan or something.
I'm probably not gonna tan, but yeah. We just came out of the ocean.
We were in there for like 5 minutes, but it was scary.
Yeah, because we don't have my parents down here, like,
and the water's
else,
not as clear.
and like there's not as many people down at the beach, so it's just
And the waves are like bigger.
Yeah. So I think
I'm
we're
out
gonna
of
try and build a sandcastle and listen to our summer playlist.
What do you mean ours?
Zoe's summer playlist. That's as far as we got on our castle. Ew. Okay, we're going up to the pool. Do you see that hair? But now we're going back up to the pool, and Gab and I were in the ocean for a long time. And it's very fun, but it's getting darker, so it's scarier. Your face. 2, 3, 4. I'm getting a really bad cough, but we're going up to eat dinner.
I look atrocious.
I won the handstand contest both times.
Maxey.
But Gabby's ear hurts and Chloe can only stand with one hand. So
No, I've been doing it with 2 hands, but
okay.
I'm not good anymore. Wow.
I think we might go to Walmart later and get
I'm excited for Walmart.
boogie boards and floaties and then goggles for the ocean and the pool. So that'll be fun. Okay, I washed.
Oh, hi.
We went to Walmart.
We just finished dinner and now we're headed to Walmart
To get some pool and beach stuff, and then also gluten-free cookies and icing to make doozies.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, me too. They're gonna be so good.
Wow. I was used to anyway. Look. This is how I go through my Snapchat. Alright.
So he's in charge of recycling duty with the Crocs. Ew! I'm excited to get something sweet because after that one day of doing no sugar, yeah, I'm excited for a doozy.
Gummy bears and gummy bears.
I hate gummy bears.
I look really dumb with braids, but I don't care because it keeps my hair back.
I'm just
I just
excited
look
for
like a baby.
doozy. Also in goggles, so that'll be way more fun in the
yeah, we have
ocean.
so much more.
Because my eyes burn in the ocean, but with goggles,
You know, you
That'll be
could try
great.
and get those like snorkel goggles things where it covers your nose, so you like don't have to like get it up your nose or whatever.
yeah.
It's freezing in here. It's literally
yeah,
ice
and
box.
our hair is wet, so it's
It's gonna freeze off. Gosh, you've got the worst angle.
yeah, but I don't
mine-
want to like. Hey guys.
So much better.
Yeah.
I know. Maxie always like.
And long.
And she talks like this. Okay, go wipe her.
Guys, I don't mind
Guys, I have to get spinach for my iron deficiency. We're trying to get a free sample of this.
I think it's laundry detergent,
It
which we
is,
don't need, but we just want to see the mini one.
So he's gonna go get the app. You have to.
Yeah, you have to download the app and then you have to
Then
scan.
you have to scan, and then
And
we
then
get
you
this.
place your phone.
Allergy
and then-
warning. Oh, here it is,
I'm
guys.
so excited.
Wait.
Scan this with the. So
Scan codes.
Wait, go. Oh, sorry. Just say agree.
Yeah.
Would you like a free sample of Downy Unstoppables?
Yes. Stop. Guys.
Downy Unstoppables. Enjoy your sample.
It's so cute. That's adorable.
Guys, we got something for
Would
free.
you like a free sample of Downy Unstoppables?
Wait, I want to
so
feel.
fun.
It's a scent booster. That's gonna wreck my back, my butt.
That's so cool. Wow. Gabby got a giant cat. And then Zoe's will have a peace sign. I have just like a basic one, but we got goggles, so that'll be great for the ocean and the pool. And it's just a bunch of things. And we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. And we have icing, so we can make doozies. So we have gluten-free chocolate chip premium cookie mix. We need butter, but we need Earth Balance as a replacer of butter. And then water and an egg, yeah. Okay, we have our mixing bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. I don't know how to preheat it, but it needs to be to 375. And I don't know where scissors are, so we're gonna have to use a knife. Well, that actually worked really well. Putting the mix in the bowl. This is the most boring cooking ever because I'm tired and I'm not entertaining whatsoever. Okay, what would be a half cup? I don't know where anything is in this kitchen.
And yeah, one of
I'm
those
gonna
safe.
put it in this.
Safe.
So that we
Microwave
can soften
safe.
it. Do you want to go ahead and put that up?
I call not cracking the egg because I don't know wash my hands.
Okay, I'll crack the egg. The sound of this is not appealing.
music? I'm like looking at your mouth to see what you say.
Okay, I'm gonna do like 2 seconds. I think this is softened. Okay, now we're adding the softened butter.
Was that a hair? Oh.
No. Chloe, I think this is a hard-boiled egg.
I got it out of the thing. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, it was so hard. I was like, what?
The hard-boiled ones are in the bowl.
Okay, I need to wash my hands and then mix it time. I'm gonna use my hands. I just washed them though, so it's fine. I'm gonna use the extra butter we had in here and spread it all. I feel like I'm on a cooking show. Watch the closes. Now we wait 10 minutes. Gabby's cat is so big. And it's so funny because it's like actual cat like printed. Isn't that so funny, Mom?
It's only $10.
Like it looks like a porcupine.
Hey, happy birthday, Gabby! Thank you. I'm convinced that Matthew forgot about my birthday. Thank you, Chloe!